workshop on research methodology at IIM Bangalore has been an enriching experience. All the sessions were well structured.
The workshop did not limit only to the theories. It were also been applicable to the case studies and the various experiments and the various group activities which were done after teaching the theory.
I would like to encourage all of you scholars, the research scholars basically, to please take up this course, and at least on my to-do list it was on number 1, because the insightful professors, the kind of experience what they come from the publishing or research domain, it is just mind-blowing.
The session on experimental design gave me a clear idea of what happens with real-life situations and how to design experiments in my research.
I'm really grateful to the institute that is giving us an opportunity to learn about meta-analysis, network analysis, qualitative and quantitative methodologies in research, because that would give us an exposure to improve our research acumen and to improve our research productivity.
Some of the excellent minds have been here, and when you brainstorm with them, when you discuss with them, when you talk with them, it makes this part such a good learning space.
With this workshop, there was so much of knowledge-driven sessions that cleared the path as a researcher for me, where I could, in terms of understand various strategies in which various methods and programs or processes can be introduced, where you can navigate through your findings and communicate it through in a very effective way.
I'm sure most of us will come forth with an excellent research expertise and academic writing.
Implementing these methods into my research will enhance it deeply.
I will definitely tell you that there is a great learning for the budding researchers, those who want to see their career in the research area.
The course coordinators, all the faculties made sure that we are very much comfortable. The kind of pedagogy they followed are very much relevant to us, and we had a lovely learning environment here.
The professors here are so knowledgeable and with vast experience that they made us now really truly empowered individuals.
I would greatly recommend these sessions for other research scholars and faculties interested in research.
I welcome everyone to take up this research program because it is totally enriching your knowledge and your approach towards the research. Thank you so much, and a big thanks to entire team at IIM Bangalore.